Narrow Gauge Express Engines, written by Duck Show Studios. On the Skarloey Railway, the engines were having a discussion. They had no work to do for a few hours and could talk about anything they wanted. We should tell stories, said Luke.
I don't think so, snapped Sir Handel. We shouldn't tell your boring stories, Luke. I should be pulling coaches, but today I have to pull trucks. That's not fair, said Sir Handel.
I'd say it's more than fair, said Luke. You are awfully rude, Sir Handel. It would serve you right.
I used to pull the express. I'm an express engine, don't you know, said Sir Handel. I can go faster than any of you. And make perfect time and be a good express engine. Ugh! Don't boast like that, you little scoundrel, said Duncan crossly. You better be quiet right now, or else I'll make you be quiet. You be quiet, Duncan, said Sir Handel. I'm an express engine. I tell others exactly what I want and how I want it.
Skarloey tried to stop the argument. Well, you'll pull the coaches another day, but Duncan pulls them today. He wasn't, said Skarloey.
Duncan pulls coaches? Pah!
Said Sir Handel. A few hours later, the four engines went to their work. Sir Handel crossly coupled up to his slate trucks.
Stupid slate trucks. Every day I pull them,
said Sir Handel. He puffed away. The slate trucks were bored, cross, and achy.
I feel pain,
said one.
Me too. I have so much hurt on my wheels. Oh, shut up and be quiet,
said Sir Handel. He bumped them hard.
Oh! We're gonna crash him. Yeah, let's do it.
So, when Sir Handel arrived at a certain stretch of track that was long and long, they went,
On! This'll teach you to insult us.
Sir Handel derailed. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Sir Handel was badly hurt. Duncan came to clear the wreckage, which there wasn't much of.
Oh, look at you. You crashed like that. Go in perfect safety. Not you. You didn't go in perfect safety. Ha,
said Duncan.
Please help me,
said Sir Handel. So Duncan pulled Sir Handel back on the rails. Then another engine took Sir Handel's passenger train.
I could go very fast in all perfect safety. Way safer than you. Ha,
said Duncan. Duncan later collected his coaches. He was at the bottom station and was in very much a hurry.
Come on, said Duncan. Get in. Come on, when will we start?
Said Duncan. At last they started. And he puffed away.
Finally.
But since it was summer on the island of Sodor, The tracks were buckled and bent down the line. Duncan hit them.
"Ugh! Fire and smoke! I'm off!"
And he was. Sir Handel, who had been not repaired, but Sir Handel, who was back and ready, saw him.
"In perfect safety. I'm sorry the way I treated you,"
said Duncan.
"Me too,"
said Sir Handel. And they puffed home.